Is your 2012 Mazda 6 key fob not working? Let's diagnose the issue. The most common problem is a dead battery. The key fob uses a CR2032 lithium battery that typically lasts 1 to 3 years. Replace it by prying open the fob with a flat screwdriver. Here are the key steps to replace the battery. Make sure the positive side of the battery faces up. If a new battery doesn't work, the fob may need to be relearned, or the receiver could have issues. Move to the next section to continue troubleshooting. If the battery isn't the issue, try relearning the fob. Cycle the ignition key 3 to 5 times within 10 seconds with doors unlocked. Then press lock-unlock on the fob. If this fails, reset the car's BCM by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Reconnect and try the relearn again. If problems persist, the receiver module behind the dashboard may need replacement, or the issue may be the body control module, BCM, which requires professional diagnosis.